Hi, welcome to contractace.com. In this session, we will go through the process of collecting bids, analyzing them, and awarding the contract to a suitable agency. Once the tender duration is completed, the tender will automatically close on the closing date, and the status of the tender changes from published to closed. After this, you will no longer be able to extend the tender closing date, and also the bidders will not be able to submit their bids for the tender. However, you can view the responses received from various bidders by clicking on the response button. In the response area, you can open and view each of these bids individually and also take prints of it if required. Here, you also have a bid analysis button, and on clicking it, you will get a very basic tender analysis report. This tender analysis report consists of two parts. The first part is the technical report, which gives a comparison of the bidders who have submitted their bids. This includes the name of the bidders, location of their offices, their turnover during the past 3 years, and the value of the largest project executed by them. However, it should be remembered that the details shown in the technical comparison are as provided by the bidders in their profile page and are not vetted or verified by Contractace. The second part of the report is the commercial analysis section. The commercial section has an area for comparison of individual items. Here the prices are color coded, with red indicating the maximum bid value for a particular item, yellow the intermediate value, and green the minimum bid price for the item. The cumulative tab compares the cumulative amounts submitted by various bidders, and the graph tab gives a visual representation of the same. If the BOQ or the schedule of prices is designed properly, the graph can give a rough indication of the approximate amounts to be paid over the duration of the project. The graph can also give an indication of the price loading strategy of the bidders. That is, if the project is front loaded, uniformly loaded, back loaded, etc. Another important feature of the report is that it can be downloaded in Excel format, and you can perform further advanced analysis on the bids as required by your organization. After collecting and analyzing the bids, and once a suitable agency is selected, the contract can be awarded by going to the Finalize Bidders tab and clicking on the Award button adjacent to the specific vendor. The awarded contract can then be printed, signed, and sealed by both parties to make it a legally binding contract agreement. In the next session, we will have a look at another important feature of the platform, which is the process of receiving RFQs or requests for quotes from the clients, clarifying tender queries if any, and submitting the bid to the client. Thank you.